Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by signing into Facebook and going straight to your profile. That gets you where tools are. Once on your profile, tap the three-dot menu and choose Activity Log so you can inspect logged events. Make sure to use desktop if the app layout hides options. You want to find the filters next. Activity Log contains categories for posts, interactions, and account actions. Filtering narrows the view to restriction-related items so you can spot any history quickly. Once in Activity Log, apply filters. Select account status or type restriction-related keywords to isolate relevant entries. This reveals specific actions Facebook recorded. Pay attention to dates, policy names, and whether an appeal was logged because those explain the why. If entries look truncated, go to Settings, right-arrow your Facebook information, and use Download Your Information to request a comprehensive archive. That gives a fuller timeline. While waiting, note any repeated reasons or patterns to prepare an appeal if needed. Finally, inspect each restriction entry closely and follow any action links to request review or submit an appeal. Do it promptly and include clear evidence like screenshots or context. If you need to remove a restriction or clarify a misunderstanding, concise, factual wording helps. If you can't find entries, switch to a desktop browser, clear cache, or test with another account to confirm. When all else fails, report the problem through Facebook Help Center and reference download records to support your case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.